All right, I'm going to show you how to combine photos together on your Android phone. And we're going to do this in both Google Photos and Samsung Gallery, although the process is very similar in both apps. Let's start with Google Photos. First, we're going to pick and choose the photos we want to use. I'll tap and hold a photo, which takes me into selection mode, and from there, I can tap other photos to select them too. Once your selection's done, we'll tap the plus button on the bottom to create something. And from the options that show up, we're going to choose Collage. That puts your photos into a template. Within this template, you can now tap, hold, and drag photos to reposition them and change the order. And you can also pinch and zoom to adjust the framing on individual photos, or sort of tap and drag the photos to reframe and focus on whatever you want to show in the collage. Down on the bottom, you'll have different templates to choose from. There's some basic, clean-looking grids, and even some film-style templates, which actually look really nice. Depending on the template, you can also change how many images are included. Some of them support more photos, some will be limited to less. If you're using one of the grid-style templates, you can also adjust and edit the borders. You can change how thick they are, whether the corners are rounded, and you can pick a border color too. I think white usually looks best for something like this, but I'm sure some of you will rather slap some bright colors there. Kinda depends on your photo selection too. Once you're happy with your collage, tap Save, and it'll save it as a new, standalone photo in Google Photos. I can go back to look at all my photos, and there's my new collage, ready to post on social media or wherever you'd like to use it for. Now, if you're more of a Samsung Gallery user, it can do pretty much the same exact thing. Very similar process. I'll go to the app, select a few photos, same idea again. Long press a photo to select it, then select a few more. And once our selection is done, you'll tap Create on the bottom and choose Collage. From here, the editing options are very similar to Google Photos. You can switch between different styles or layouts, you can move the individual pictures around, and adjust the borders here too. The Samsung Gallery by default likes to pull the borders or the border color from one of your images, which actually looks pretty rad, but of course you can set a solid color for your borders if that's what you prefer. If you're using an image-based border, you can control the blurriness and adjust the corner radius if you like that rounded look. The last option here is aspect ratio. You've got all the vertical formats for social media sharing, and I like how they've included a bunch of different options and not just the standard 9:16 format. And if you prefer traditional landscape options instead of vertical, they have that option too. Once you're happy with everything, tap Save and the collage gets saved on your phone. You can find it either through your file browser or directly in the Samsung Gallery app. And that is how you combine photos together on Android. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, till next time.